Rainbow Sketches.
Hello everyone, welcome to Stories with Luna. Today we will talk about the day the forest lost its water. I heard something quite amazing, and if you want, I'll tell you too. It happened on a very hot summer day. The forest woke up with no water at all. The little stream that used to dance between the trees, gone. The frog's pond, all dry and cracked. Even the dew was missing, not a single drop. Everyone was worried. The bunnies had nowhere to cool off. The birds licked tiny drops off the leaves, and the old frog didn't even croak. That's when Luna appeared, with a tiny backpack and a big plan in her mind. If the water won't come to us, I'll go find it. She asked the squirrels in the trees, the mole underground, even the wind and the clouds. Then, finally, the wise old owl whispered, "At the top of the tallest hill, there's a hidden rock. Beneath it, the forest's springs are sleeping." Luna set off right away. The path was dusty and hot, and she didn't stop. She climbed, she crawled, and at least she found the rock. She knocked on it with her little paw. Nothing. She knocked again. Still nothing. Just when she was about to give up, a drop of water fell on her nose. Then another and another. The spring was waking up. A tiny stream of fresh, cool water tricked out. "Thank you," whispered Luna. She waved to the birds and they flew to tell the others. Soon, the whole forest had water again. They say the springs still sleep, but only a little, because they know, if needed, Luna will come and wake them up again. And I just told you the story, just as a sleepy cricket whispered to me. Like our stories? Subscribe to Rainbow Sketches and hit the bell!